Shield volcanoes are basically when the lava comes up from the ground and makes small hills on top of small hills of dried lava, and the rock eventually turns into a giant mountain with lava coming out of it. They can get up to 9,000 meters tall, and these are my favorite because they're so big. So yeah.
Alright.
Composite volcanoes or stratovolcanoes both have tephra and lava material erupt from it. These materials layer upon themselves, making a huge cone-shaped mountain. Composite volcanoes are normally 100 to 3,500 or 3,500 meters tall. An example is Mount St. Helens. Cider cone volcanoes are formed when tephra erupts from the ground and forms cone-shaped mountains. Cider cones are 100 to 400 meters tall. An example is the Krakatoa Mountain.